You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. A bit of a confusing spelling here, but the pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward once you know. So let's break it down. American and British English pronunciations are the same for all, so it's easy. English pronunciation, Druid. Let's break it down. Drew, ed, a short ed, e and d. Druid. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.